Player 2, 1. Stars and stripes forever. Round
No, I'm Dr. Murdoch. Murder, what? Mommy, this is service.
Good job.
Oh, what's the teacher? I just thought. No, I stopped you.
Good job.
No, Christopher didn't win. I just win.
No, Christopher just won that one, sweetie.
I did not win.
Yeah.
I'm looking to get that one.
Okay. You guys play different strategies. Have you noticed that?
I'm looking to get one.
A different one? Which one do you want to play?
I will poke right on it, my feet, and now my baby. Spider-Woman.
I don't want to smell your stinky feet, but thank you.
Spider-Woman.
Smell your stinky feet just one time? Oh, P.U.
Spider-Woman and Dorm.
You want Spider-Woman and Storm?
Huh.